Shelters euthanize 72% of relinquished cats, many because of house soiling behavior. That's nearly 2.5 million cats euthanized annually for reasons that are preventable. Scented litter can contribute to many feline health problems, including urinating outside the litter box. A recent article, House Soiling in Cats, in the Feline Practitioner magazine, states that scented litters can be unpleasant and even painful to cats, since their sense of smell is significantly more acute than that of a human. The litter industry has remained silent on this issue, but now that's about to change.
The guiding philosophy at Dr. Elsey's is that it needs to solve a problem and it needs to be good for the cat. We're not going to produce products which in any way, shape, or form may actually be harmful for cats. The reason we decided to stop production of our ultra-scented cat litter is that we determined that it could actually be painful for cats, be stressful for cats, and because of that, we couldn't in good conscience continue to produce and sell scented cat litter. The reason that scented litter is harmful for cats is because cats live in an entirely different world than we do. They depend on their sense of smell. And if you do anything that interferes with their capability to be able to utilize their sense of smell, then that causes stress. And so then that stress, it leads to a number of different health problems that cats are faced with. Stress is the number one reason for cats developing a really painful lower urinary or bladder condition called interstitial cystitis. And then they associate that pain with using the litter box. And so then they stop using the litter box. And if they stop using the litter box, that is the number one behavioral reason that cats are relinquished to shelters or just turned loose out into the environment to fend for themselves. A cat litter that people should consider switching to is one that is a clumping, non-scented cat litter. There are clumping cat litters out there that have added other less expensive clays or even limestone in order to reduce their cost. The advantage to Dr. Elsey's Ultra cat litter is that it is 100% pure sodium bentonite. By having 100% sodium bentonite cat litter, you have actually the very best clumping cat litter that's available. We have the number one cat litter because it works. It does what it says it does. And it doesn't cause any harm to the cat, like other litters that have fragrance in them. This is the Veterinary Practitioner, and it's the official magazine of the American Association of Feline Practitioners. And this is the summer of 2024. It says, unscented litter is recommended. Scented litter can be unpleasant and even painful for cats, since their sense of smell is significantly more acute than that of a human. It's very critical that you don't do anything that interferes with their acute sense of smell, which is 14 times better than ours is. The best thing about being a family-owned business is that you're not answering to anybody. You don't have to answer to any shareholders. You can stop producing a product that is a moneymaker, quite frankly, and that's what we're doing with our ultra scented litter. You can just feel good about it yourself because you know that's the best thing for the cat. And being a veterinarian and having a small business, it gives you a different perspective because new products only really get legs if there's a problem that they're addressing. And as a veterinarian, that's what you do all day long. is just address problems. By having that background of problem solving, you know what cats need and owners need, because that's what's best for the cat. If it's not good for the cat, then we're not going to produce that product. Sense makes no sense when it comes to cat litter.